Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to open your Mazda MX-5 key fob. First, find the small release button on the side of your key fob. Press this button firmly, and then slide the physical key out from the bottom. This reveals a small notch. Carefully insert a small flathead screwdriver or a coin into this notch. Gently twist the tool to pry open the two halves of the key fob casing. Take your time to avoid damaging the plastic. Once the key fob is open, you'll see the small coin cell battery inside. Before removing it, pay attention to its orientation, usually with the positive side facing up. Gently pry out the old battery. A small plastic tool or your fingernail works well. Now, take your new CR2032 battery and carefully place it into the compartment, ensuring the positive side is facing the same direction as the old one. This ensures proper function. With the new battery in place, it's time to reassemble your key fob. Carefully align the two halves of the casing, making sure all the internal components are seated correctly. Gently press the halves together until you hear a satisfying click, indicating they are securely fastened. Finally, slide the physical key back into its designated slot until it locks into place. Give it a quick test to ensure everything feels snug. Now that your key fob is reassembled, it's crucial to test its functionality. Go to your Mazda MX-5 and check if the lock and unlock buttons work correctly. Also, ensure the car recognizes the key fob signal for starting the engine. If everything operates smoothly, you've successfully replaced your battery. And hey, if you're looking to upgrade your home, check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals. It's a fantastic way to keep things tidy.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.